Hello friends, today we are going to add some color to our 4-leaf clovers. So you'll need some green paper, some glue, and your hands. Because what we're going to end up doing is we are going to take the green paper and we're going to rip it up into little pieces and then we're going to glue them down. So the first step is going to just be ripping your green paper. You don't want it to be too big of pieces. You want it to be pretty small pieces because you're going to want to be able to fit them all inside of the lines of your 4-leaf clover. So I'm just going to go ahead and just rip up a bunch of paper first and make a nice pile of green, and then I can begin gluing. Again, keep those pieces small so that you can fit them in your 4-leaf clover. Okay, so I have a good size pile of torn paper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start gluing. I still have extra green if I need it. Now what I want you to do is just make sure that you put the glue on the pieces. Do not put it on your 4-leaf clover. You want to put the glue on the pieces. And you just need a dot, not a lot. Just a dot of glue is all you need. And basically you're just it's like a puzzle. You are just filling in the spaces, the white spaces. Don't glue over the black because we want to leave that nice outline. And please don't glue over these lines that we drew in because we want to leave those as well. So you want to be really careful just to fill in those white spaces. And you're gluing it down one at a time, filling in those white spaces. Again, leaving out staying away from those black lines. You don't want to glue over those because that is really what is going to show everyone it's a 4-leaf clover. If you need more torn pieces of paper, you can definitely get those. Notice how I'm just really just staying close to that black line. The other thing is, if you need to rip a piece a little to make it fit better, you can do that too. But so far I haven't needed to. The main thing is just not gluing over the black lines, staying inside of the black lines, just filling in the white spaces. I don't want to see any white spaces. The only white space I should see is your background when this is all done. So I'm going to continue to glue these down. I'm almost done with one leaf. All right, I'm getting closer and closer to being done with this first leaf. One thing I need to do is tear up these pieces to be a little smaller so that I can fit inside of the corners of right here. It gets really, really small there. So just be really careful. You're going to have to rip some of these pieces even smaller to fit inside of those. And then you'll need to do the same thing once you get to your stem. You'll need to do the same thing because the stem is also small. So again, I'm going to rip this and then glue it down in my stem. And I am done. All my pieces are glued. See you next time.